So basically this Jaguar, probably the hardest thing. First thing, I'm gonna start on the white side and fold that over in half. And we're just going to make a kite base. And if you watched my base video, you should know. Like that. And now you're going to flip it over. No, you're going to fold this to right here. Now fold it down to there. Oh my gosh. And make sure it lines up. So like that. And now unfold that. Okay, now you fold this tip from this side up to this crease. Like that. Now you can just fold it down. I guess this is this is to judge how long you want your tail to be. So yeah, this is actually smaller paper, so it would be a little bit smaller, but yeah. Now you're going to fold these over and just squash fold it. Or swivel fold. Yeah, it is more of a swivel fold. Yeah. So like that. And now fold this back to the edge. So like that. So now, from there, just fold the top to the center. Like that. And now just fold this out here. Now just repeat that. So I guess rabbit ear fold it up, and then fold it out. Okay. Now you're going to fold it down here, and you're just going to fold it down until you see those. So like that. Fold this up so that it goes from that point to this intersection. that. And now you're going to inside reverse fold it. And then fold it straight up like that. And now fold this up just a little bit so that it moves this up a little. And now you're going to side reverse fold it from there like that, and then fold these in just like that. And this, it is okay if that goes over that actually. Yeah, so you're kind of opening it and making this kind of like W, and then in the end it should look like that. And now instead of reverse fold it like that, and the head is almost finished, but now you're going to just mountain fold on this and just kind of swivel it back. And you can make these legs shorter if you want, but honestly for me, I think that size is pretty good, so I think I'll keep it. But I am fixing it because it is a tiny bit uneven. Yeah, see that? I guess it does give off a little bit more natural of a look, but so now you're going to mountain fold on this and just fold it over. So mountain fold, fold over. And it shouldn't go super far. So like that, and it gives it a little bit of a round shape. And now on the inside here, fold that to the edge kind of, and then swivel fold it, lift this up, and then this like that, and then repeat that right here. And unlike the wyvern video, we will not reverse these. Okay, we're almost done. In fact, I think we are done. No, we're not. Okay. Basically, all you're gonna do is just kind of pinch this and then fold it back and then just forward, just like that. And then you can fold this forward like that. So that it has little feet. So cute. And yeah, you can push this and then round out this tail a little bit just kind of like curl it up like that. And yeah, that is the last of the mascots.
Thank you for coming to the paper playground. See you next time.